So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So guys, I hope you're fine. So let's get back to the video. So at first, this topic is for how to fix not SIM card inside. So guys, if in your mobile your SIM card is not fixed inside, so this video is for you. At first, you have to take off your mobile SIM out, and after taking out your mobile SIM, you have to wrap your SIM cards with uh, any clothes, but it should be fine. So after doing this, get back your mobile SIM cards inside the mobile. So after doing that, switch on your mobile. So after doing that things, you have to go for settings, and after going in settings, search for app management. So after going in app management, you have to click in app list. So after clicking in app list, you have to go for Android system website. So guys, here you can see this force stop. You have to click in this force stop. After that, you have to go for storage uses, and you have to clear this, clear cache and clear data. After clearing these two, again come back to the setting, and after doing this, you have to search for software update or soft app updates. So guys, still now if your mobile is not updated, so you have to update that. So after updating your mobile, you will get to see the good results in your mobile. So this how you have to do. So, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.